that's a wrap on CES 2026, but before we go, here's a recap of some of the gadgets that we saw on the show floor that caught our attention.
People are absolutely loving it. It's already won 9 Best in Show awards from different venues and press outlets. It is 9mm thick, and that is a serious wow factor with this TV. What's really cool about it is it has this Zero Connect box. And what's amazing about the Zero Connect box is that you connect all your plugs through HDMI into the box, and then it wirelessly transmits that signal across the room to the TV.
We've really aimed to optimize Communicator for modern communications. So the BlackBerry era was all about email, and today we communicate through all sorts of different mediums, whether that's chat apps or things like Slack. Click's Power Keyboard is one keyboard for all your smart devices, whether that's your phone, your smart TV, your tablet, or even your AR/VR headset. It gives you the benefit of buttons on everything you use. And then pop it on.
The Lego Smart Brick looks just like a traditional Lego 2x4 brick. It clicks into your Lego bricks just as you would expect them to be, but is just packed with a ton of technology.
It recognizes which smart figure you're using or which tag you're putting on there. So yeah, you can have Luke flying the X-Wing with R2 right behind him, but you know what? You can tell your own story, and you can take Luke out of that. You can put Princess Leia flying the X-Wing. You could put Darth Vader flying the X-Wing, And what's really amazing about this system is it will know who that character is that's piloting it and will react accordingly. So really opens up an imaginative world of play. It's been a long journey to get here, and to know that everyone else has been as excited about it as we've been. It's just tremendously rewarding, I think.
Display technology. He's like an XR display expert. He's very.
We'll see you next year, and don't forget to check out our coverage of Worst in Show at apnews.com.